Hey, so this is where you're going to learn to remove the background in Canva. Now, I do believe this is Adobe Express. You can get it from having a membership or subscription with Creative Cloud. And I'm pretty sure you can do it here as well as doing it in Canva. I haven't learned it, and I just like Canva because I don't like change. So I use Canva. So this is Canva. As you can see from Adobe Express and Canva, they do look very similar. So back to Canva. Now, here's what I like to do. In order to do pretty much anything, you need to create a design. So you click on Create Design, and you can choose one of the defaults, but they limit you to size, and I don't want to be limited, so I like to do my own. And since I'm doing a t-shirt design, I will do custom size, and I go big. I'm not going to put a 20 by 20 inch any image on a t-shirt. It's just too big, but I can resize how I want, and that's why I like it. So I'm going to click 20 by 20. And this box, this little white box right here, is where you will be working and creating whatever design you want in here. Now, to remove a background, you're going to want to upload your image here. And I've already uploaded a ton, and I'll use one of my defaults, which is this one. I'm going to click on here, and it's going to go here. But if you needed to upload your design from scratch, you're going to click on Upload File. It's this big purple right here. So click it, and then you go in your Windows, and you find, or Mac, whatever, you find your design, you click it, and simply hit Open. That's it. And it'll come right here and it'll have this blue little bar. Oh, well, you know what? Let's just do it so you can see what it looks like. I don't think I've uploaded her. See how it has the blue bar coming across? And then it has it like it's filling up with water. And boom, it's done. So then you can just click her and she'll come over here just like this image did. Now here, you can use these little balls to resize however you want. Any one of them. It doesn't matter which. I like to simply right click it and hit Set Image as Background. What that does is boom, it's there. I'm done. It's just so quick. But just to show you this, these bars, if you're wanting to resize, don't do it. If you're wanting to crop an image, this would be the way to do it. You can do it that way. But if cropping is not what you want, or if you want to go bigger, and it zooms it in. So if you just want to make like that a picture, there you go. But I don't want to do any of that, so I'm just right clicking and setting image as background. So I click it, make sure you like select it, and then hit Edit Photo. And then here's where you'll have your options to edit this photo. So click on it. BG Remover, which stands for Background Remover, BG Background. So click it. And mine is very fast because I've already done this photo, but usually it has like a little circle and it has to think about it because this is kind of like an AI. It goes and it looks at this photo and actually tries to figure out where the background is. And as you can see, it put these splashes as part of the image. So there we go. Now I don't want the splashes. So what do? This magic eraser, it is truly magic. You click on it and then brush over image. That just means you're going to brush over this image just like this to remove whatever you don't want. And it does a little circle, loads it, and then there it is. Now you can make this brush as small or as big as you want. Now here's a little tip. When you go in here, like I said, it's kind of like AI, and it tries to figure out what you're trying to do. So I'm going to go right here because, it has this little dip. So I'm going to try to remove this little part right here as gently as I can. You see it doesn't even look like it did anything. But if you were to zoom in, which we're not, it's blurred out right now because it's AI. It's trying to figure out what you want, but it sees that this has been a circle. You know how we did right here? You made it kind of like a circle, so it's thinking, oh, it's maybe she just wants to blend it or something. So it did not remove it. But if I come in here and then I get a little closer without messing up my image, boom, there's that little piece that did it. Because now it realizes, oh, she wanted to delete it. So then it opens it up. It deletes it. And then to say you're finished, you want it just like this. And you're finished, just hit edit photo. It takes you out. There's your image. You're good to go. Now, I mean, you don't want an image like this. This looks terrible. But if you were to go in and delete everything that you wanted and you liked it this way, then you're done. And all you have to do is hit up here on share and then download. And you need to make sure that you hit transparent background, because if you don't, this white background around your image is going to show up when you hit download. So, and I will show you that. I will take it off. Download. Here it is. I'm going to open it for you so you can see. And you see how I got the white? Because I did not hit transparent download. So if I hit transparent download, this is what comes up. This is an old one that I saved, so that's why it doesn't have the erasing in it. But this is what comes up after you have removed your background, downloaded, and make sure that you select transparent background. And then voila, that's all you need.